Oh, hi there. Back with another one. A few months ago, Samsung did an unpacked with the new S series. Obviously S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. If you usually follow Samsung's pattern, you know that they release another device or a couple of devices. A series, this year they didn't do that. It seemed more like a very short thing with a video and a couple of press releases, and that's it. I got a drop from Samsung and also the loop. As you can see, that's what the box looks like. Onto this, I actually think this is the fisherman's knife that I'm busy with. So just some ejector tools along with our packages. There's a quick start guide as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this is the device. This is the 256GB version. It comes in the green. Just some key features before I unwrap the plastic is the Infinity O display, which means it has like punch hole display, as well as a 50 megapixel triple camera with optical image stabilization, and it is IP67 water and dust resistant, which means you can get caught in the rain with this device. If you go onto Samsung's website, you'll find that this device is 9,999 Rand in South African Rand. Samsung has been pushing this A series for quite a while, and the A series is becoming better and better. I mean, if you're looking at the A series, clearly you're not looking for the S series, but you're looking for something that's just as good. Once again, those rounded edges, as I've mentioned, is there. The bezel compared to Samsung's flagship is a little bit thicker. You can see it around the perimeter here, but that shouldn't be putting you off. With the viewing on this device, it's still an AMOLED and it gets plenty bright. It still has the high refresh rate. I've mentioned before the 50 megapixel OIS camera with a triple camera setup, so you know you're going to be getting some good things. I can't wait to get started with this device. It feels comfortable in hand. I mean, you need a device to at least have a bit of weight. I love the look. I hope this comes from camera. Anyways, that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll check back with you soon. Thank you very much. Please feel free to check out my socials, which are linked down below.